George's S14. We're gonna be bringing back the Lambo door. I'm gonna make the Lambo door happen tonight. I got the intercooler mounted. I wired it up. It should start. Whenever we get some piping, we'll see what's up. What else did I get done? Battery in the back. I got some stuff done. He's still at work. He work every day. He don't come visit me. He's an asshole. George, you're an asshole. Anyways, so we gonna get his Lambo door done tonight. He trying to bring the Lambo door back. So that's the goal for tonight. And then I guess I could go home, come back tomorrow. So for starters, we need a Lambo door hinge. Obviously, I keep hitting the damn key in my pocket. I should probably remove that. All right, cool. Yeah, so anyways, to start, we need the Lambo door hinge, and we need a door, obviously. So I'm gonna have to bang this in right here and teach you how to install a Lambo door. Just get like your 5-pound sledgehammer and just make that flat real quick. Then obviously we got this from LamboDoors.com, I think. So shit's garbage, so you obviously had to like modify the hole there. And then we can put the hinge and the door on and set it up. So I'm gonna knock that out real quick. Okay, so you see, I beat it in. So it's flush going all the way down, so that way it can sit here. And I also reset the dowel pin right there because it's gonna, it doesn't fit inside the damn groove. And it's adjustable, so it slides back and forth anyway. So I pushed it in some, flush there, flush here, so it'll sit flat. I'll bolt it on there, and then I'll bolt it directly to the door right here. You also gotta remove the thing that holds the door open whenever you swing it open, and so it doesn't close back on you. That gotta go. And we'll have to extend the wires for the window and stuff like that. So let's get to it. Okay, so after probably about an hour, and we had it to add a welder, a hammer, and some other bullshit, we got it to work like factory. I know George finna appreciate this. Look at that. Oof. Got the Lamborghini doors on the 240, man. Damn. You won't even know we touched it. Open up and out and send her up. Damn, it's a little shaky, but I mean, we don't like a little shaky. Mission accomplished. All right, next on the list, his dashboard. It got some cracks. I don't know if you guys ever heard of flocking, but I'm finna flock his dash real quick. I'm gonna put some seam seal in there. Put some flock on there, and it's gonna look good. About 10 minutes, watch. And 10 minutes later, look at that. Flocked. Haha. Now, time to put it in there, make some intercooler piping, and do burnouts, hopefully. I said hopefully. Okay, the night's going great. Joey spilled soda in my toolbox. So he's cleaning it up. We got the best shop heater in the world. It's cool because we can see fire. George is back at it trying to find bolts over there. And I already finished one side of the intercooler piping. Check that out. Paint it up tomorrow. Bomb. It'll look real good. Then we're gonna upgrade him from baby boy throttle body to grown man throttle body. Q45, stock 25. Q45, stock 25. We're gonna upgrade him. He's gonna be good to go now. Then let's see what Bryce is up to. Since he's gonna update. All my bumpers and stuff is off. Joey took it off so he can get painted. Hopefully tomorrow. He still can't find the bolts he needs. Damn, Bryce, you making progress over here? Damn. Just wait till it's painted. That's all I gotta say. That's because I'm painting it. Yeah, it's gonna look so good. Look at you taping up holes and stuff. Damn. Extra. Hella extra. Yeah. Asian don't like to hang out with us at nighttime. His car out there though. Coop boy out there stunting. Bryce, that's your motor outside? You abandoned? Poor K's, man. They be treating them so bad. Look at that. Y'all act like I be treating my K bad. I be treating my K good as hell.
They don't need extra love. They just work.
I think he's pretending to work because I have the camera on.
Yeah.
Anyways. It's on? Yeah. George.
What?
It's Friday. What's up?
What's up, man?
Say what's up to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
So George got a whole bunch of presents today. And I'm still painting my car. So we don't care about his presents. We'll go look at my car. So George, let's show the people what you got. You got a whole bunch of boxes. It looks like a whole bunch of wasted money on fiberglass. So what'd you get?
Got some overs, you know what I'm saying?
You got some overs?
Kit. Oh, like that, like that.
Oh, damn. Look
Oh,
how
so you
you
recording? Hold on.
Oh, okay. The camera, come on. Y'all saw that? That was definitely like a hair flick or something. I don't know what the hell that was, but he flicked his hair. What was that about?
I was listening to my director over here.
Oh, okay. You shouldn't listen to that guy. Look how nappy his hair is. You can't listen to that guy.
In the car.
Anyways, his sponge is in the car. Okay. Anyways, what'd you get?
I don't have anything to open this up.
We got this from
Recently.
Honey, really?
I know, she excited.
Okay, so we got this from Trollbiz on I'm probably fucking your IG up, bro. Don't even worry about it.
Yeah, that's
It's
what's up.
Buddy from IG. We bought fenders from him. It actually came from Japan, so it's supposed to be a bunch of Origin Lab stuff. Cause George's hot boy car number 2.
Because mine was made number 2. It's really number 1.
No. So you got that, and you got this big old box. I was really trying to see if his kit was better than mine, so I opened it already. So he don't know that. Well, he knows now.
Yeah, we're gonna have to edit this. He's taking forever.
No, man, that's good time. What's up, Shawnee? You not gonna say nothing? You don't wanna be on YouTube?
Trying to fill up dead space, man.
Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? We filling up dead space on the
Why
channel,
did
bro.
you say that on camera?
We do what we want.
We do exactly. You do what you want. Anyways, it's gonna take him about 10 minutes to open that, so I'll speed it up. So you got this big old box right here. It says fragile on it. It wasn't fragile at all. I think this is like Super Doof or something like that. Is that what it says, George? Super Doof. So you got Super Doof kit. He might low key be lower than me, but he kit low, and I'm really low. Okay. So we ain't worry about that. So while you open the overs and stuff, that kit actually looks good. Shout out to Super Doof. I mean, that thing looking good as hell. Y'all send me one of those when I get famous enough, all right? Back to Big Baller over here. The shot caller. Yeah, so 20 minutes later, with the help of that guy, he got it all out. What you got, George?
It's questionable.
We don't know if that's a 75, bro.
Yes.
I don't know, man. But those,
Actually, you know what?
it might
From
be.
this angle.
When you look at sideways, it kind of look like a 75.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it's 75. And those are supposed to be 75 mil Origin Lab fronts.
We know those are 75. So
Yeah, those look like 80s, if anything. Maybe they messed it up or something.
It's like 2.9.
He never even had a wide body kit in his life. How do you even know what it is?
You can measure it.
Bro, I got you.
Hey, you ever owned a wide body kit, Rico?
Yeah.
Does that look like a wide body to y'all? That look like a wide body to y'all? I don't think he had a wide body kit.
Oh, well, you know, I think we gotta show the kit too now, you know.
I already showed them the kit.
Oh, I missed that. Nothing.
Oh.
You got it.
Anyways, so now that we're done showing off his stuff that needs paint anyways, we're gonna go see my car that I'm painting again in 2 weeks. It's not even 2 weeks, and it's getting repainted because I'm on flakes and because this damn door was too dark, and that door over there was also too dark. So now we're gonna fix it. Plus, I've been wanting to add a wing. Plus, this mirror is broken, so I'm gonna change the broken mirror. I'm gonna add a wing. I fix some potholes. I'm gonna sprinkle some flakes on there, and it's gonna be saucy in like 3, right? 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Bam! There we go. Look at that thing. Ooh, ooh, flake gang now. You ain't Monsta if you ain't got no flakes. Y'all boys better tighten up. Haitian, I'm coming for you, bruh. You, George, all of y'all. I'm flaked out now too. I done stole they flakes. You know, messed up and let old man get they flakes. Ooh. Wee. We're gonna be at LZ's open house, so y'all come check it out. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all think I be bullshitting, this is some real shit. Watch what George doing. Watch what. He is cutting his overs. That's some lazy ass shit. He a lazy ass mother. So, anyways, George is sending it. Like, he got all his parts last night, and today he decided, well, Lee's shit looks better than mine, so I'm gonna just go full ham.
It looked like this is what you're supposed to do.
Like,
right?
he's literally with a hammer just bashing the out of his car. We do not work on customers' cars like this. This is just our drift cars. I promise. I promise. Damn, you pretty good with that hammer though. You busting them seam spot welds. Okay. Damn. Okay. All right. Cool. Y'all see that? So yeah, he's cutting it out. Anyways, so car is painted and back out of the. I got some flakes now, and the color matches on the door. A lot better than before. We're running out of time because I made the pole and everybody said I should take this, so I'm digging this thing out of the hole in the back so I can take it to LZ's open house. So this will be out there. And Bryce helped me put this back together real quick so we can have this and this at open house. So we'll see you guys there.